And here she is once she is all done, and I absolutely love how it turned out. This did end up taking quite a long time to dry because just certain areas were just taking longer to dry than others, and also I've just been distracted and busy with other things. But anyways, so here is how she turned out, and she is so adorable and super soft as well. I really soaked the paint into the foam, so it made it really smooth and squishy. You can literally see my fingerprints in it. So yeah, this is how squishy she is. I really love how the colour turned out on this. I think I was able to match the colour really well to the colour that was on the wheel. And like I usually like to do with my dragon squishies is that I like to name them, and a very obvious name for this one would have been Amber, since the colour that the wheel chose was literally amber, but I decided not to go for that. Instead I decided to call her Saffron, because that's a very similar colour to amber, or to like a really light orange colour, and also I just like the way that it sounded a lot more, so I decided to go for that. And also Saffron is one of my favourite names. And also, to show that it's a girl dragon, I added eyelashes onto the eyes, whereas when I make boy dragons, I do not add on the eyelashes. So yeah. But yeah, you can see just how so rising she is. And I've completely squished her face. Sorry. But yeah, just so happy with how she turned out. I really like how the shape turned out as well. I just thought this would be just a good idea for a video, because usually when I make these dragon squishies, I usually get stuck trying to decide what colour I should paint them, and I thought just letting the wheel decide would be a really good idea. And I plan on doing this a bit more often as well, because I love making these types of squishies. But I just think it would be a good idea to let the wheel choose from now on what colour I should paint them. And also sometimes it probably won't just be one colour. Sometimes I might want to do like 2 colours or multiple colours, depending on how I'm feeling. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And also, by the way, I do have a full tutorial on how to make these dragon squishies, which I will link in the description box below. So that shows in a lot more detail just how exactly I make these. And also, once this video goes up, this squishy will also be up for sale on my Etsy. And my Etsy is linked at the top of the description box below as always. So if you are interested in buying this, then please go and check out my shop. This will be £8. This will be up for £8 on there, like all of my dragons. I also have a lot more squishies up for sale on there as well. I'd really appreciate it if you go and have a look. Again, it's been very quiet on my shop recently, so I would really appreciate it if you just go and have a look on there. But yep, anyways, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then please click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because it would make me so super duper happy if you did. And also, again, don't forget that my Etsy and also my Instagram are linked in the description box below as always. I'd really appreciate if you go and check out both of them. And please let me know what you think of this in the comments below. I love to get comments from you guys. And please stay tuned for another video coming soon. I already have one planned for what I want to do next, so yeah. So yeah, please stay tuned for more fun content coming up very soon. And yep, so I really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.